Hey everyone, I am Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of guessing ingredient amounts and ending up with flat cakes or salty soups, if your old scale is inaccurate or hard to read, or if you want a reliable kitchen tool that makes cooking and baking precise and enjoyable, then this review is going to help you level up. Today we're reviewing the Etekcity digital kitchen scale. This stainless steel scale gives accurate measurements and makes meal prep simple and fun. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this scale is a game changer for home cooks. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel. Let us break down the features of the Etekcity digital kitchen scale. It has a sleek stainless steel platform that is easy to clean and looks great on any counter. The large backlit display shows weights clearly even in low light. It measures in grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters for liquids. The tare function lets you zero out the weight of a bowl so you measure ingredients directly. It is accurate to 0.1 gram for precise baking. The scale runs on batteries that are included and lasts a long time. It has a compact design that stores easily. Setup is instant. Put in the batteries, place it on a flat surface, and start weighing. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. The pros are excellent. The stainless steel platform is durable and wipes clean fast. Accurate measurements help you follow recipes perfectly. The tare function saves time and reduces mess. Multiple units make it versatile for any recipe. The display is bright and easy to read. It is lightweight and compact for small kitchens. The price is affordable for the quality. Users say it improved their cooking and baking results right away. On the con side, the platform is not completely waterproof, so you wipe spills quickly. The display turns off after a short time to save battery. It is not the largest scale for very big bowls. These are small trade-offs, and the pros win big for everyday kitchen use. My recommendation? Yes, get the Etekcity digital kitchen scale if you want accurate measurements, easy tare, and a durable tool that makes cooking more fun and precise. It is perfect for home bakers, meal preppers, or anyone who wants better results in the kitchen. If these honest kitchen tool reviews are helping you cook smarter, hit subscribe for more and click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong at no extra cost to you. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who loves cooking, or subscribe for more. See you next time.